You know, uh, in some ways, I have no idea what's going on because everything feels so uncharted and unprecedented. In a normal world, we would have a government that saw that we were facing a coronavirus pandemic and do something about it. And instead, we live in a world where our government has literally chosen to do nothing about it, has hoped that perhaps it might just run its course like it's a common cold. And against that backdrop, we also have an administration that is trying to take away health care from more than 20 million Americans. We have a government that is actively interested in disenfranchising the most marginalized voters. And we have an administration that does not care about the millions of Americans who are currently going hungry and who are struggling to find ways to take care of their children while they also work full-time jobs when most school systems are not functioning. It's incredibly chaotic. And then, of course, there is also the ongoing systemic racism and protests against police brutality, extrajudicial murder, and just the casual indifference of police departments everywhere to Black lives.